because I want to start with you. Because you are the person who made it possible. You are the one who came to me in Northern Cape at a program of social development. And you said to me, as a Minister of Small Business Development, you would like us to give support to your community.
Minister of Small Business Development business yashu ange unaradzurawa.
Yes, and then I spoke to the department, to the cooperative unit.
Department cooperative unit.
And I asked them to be of assistance to you. I think the department must have spoken to you and trusted you because they've never been here.
Department because
that's what we do as government. We start with believing and trusting in our people. Because it's very difficult for us to always go to almost each and every project. But we are also asking the local structures because our councillor, your councillor is here.
The structures
are here. Yes. And we ask the councillors to be the ears and the eyes of the department. Because they are closer to the people. You don't have to be always going to Pretoria to ask for things or to talk to Pretoria, but if the councillors are here, they are also government and other departments, because I don't think here you should only be helped by the Department of Small Business Development.
Not ka department ya small business development page maranaka business department.
The Department of Economic Development, from the MEC and down to the local structures,
department
are the ones who are supposed to visit here more often.
Department ya Economic Development hapa masipala wa Vhembe na Watulamela ndivone vonofana kudzula vachidha apa chifhinga chote.
Department ya Agriculture
na Department ya Ulimi,
Department ya Rural Development.
Rural Development, yeah.
Because the town, the government is saying that it wants to focus on township and rural development.
Ubuso konyongo focusa kaubelizisa mahayani.
Because people who are in rural areas, especially in this area, you can see that the soil is rich.
Vatu vonokudzura mahayani nabasedzana mavu awo nevavona zori onona ngamana.
If white people came here and were able to plant those trees there, it means they saw something.
Arali vachena vokonodha apa vatava mirila zvamburi nazvevavona.
Because you see the trees growing next to you.
I
don't know how much do they support you as communities. Because the local government structures are the ones who are supposed to be speaking to the people who are planting around here. To say yes, you can plant, but there are communities here. And the communities also want one day to be the owners of those trees. So when we talk about giving the land back to our people, we're talking about our communities. So the communities must also show, like the way the cooperative is showing here, that it is possible to do it for ourselves.
Vadzirapo vafanira kukona kuzvisimbedzisa vona vone vanhu uri sazvine business yakuita uri zvakakonadzera vangazviita ngari nevanhu.
That there's only one cooperative here that we are supporting, and yet there's an opportunity, because if Pick n Pay had said to you they will take from you, it means they want a big number of chicken, they want a big number of eggs. So you could have been having more than one cooperative here.
Arali Pick n Pay yo vachikuumbera uri vajeka veiwe ende vachikotoda dzikuu dzinji zvambori una chikara chauri nadzimwe vatu vanokonyongoita dzibusiness vaita dzicooperative apo vangakona wana support yoraro.
So I'm going to ask, and I wish to thank the members of the cooperative.
ndi kutakalira ulivuwa veni varangaphanḓa va cooperative.
But they must not give up. I know that this is hard work.
Vha songo nyama, ndi a zwi ḓivha zwori hezwi zwithu zwi a lemela.
That on the land also is hard work.
Na hafhaḽa tsimuni ndi a zwi ḓivha zwori zwi a lemela.
When you don't have implements, it means the labor and everything comes from you, your whole body.
Arali usina vhaṅwe vhathu vho no kona u ite zwi amba uri zwithu zwoṱhe zwi bva kha vheiwe.
And these women here, they have to come and work here. They still have to go home and take care of their children and everything.
Vhathu veni ni tshi khou shuma hafha ni khou tea u ḓa na shuma hafha ni tshi bva hafha ni khou tea ya mahayani na dovha na ṱhogomela vhana vha vheiwe.
It becomes a burden to them.
Zwi vha muhwalo uno lemela.
And anyone who thinks rural life is easy life, they must come here and see for themselves.
Avo vhona uri vhathu vho no khou dzula mahayani vha khou tshila zwavhuḓi vha fanela u tou ḓa vha zwi vhona vhone vhaṋe hafha.
But it's our task as the government of the ANC
Ndi mushumo washu sa muvhuso wa ANC.
and the members of the ANC who are here. I can see them in their t-shirts.
Comrade ANC a re hone hafha.
Yeah, it's their job and their task to assist communities.
Ndi mushumo wa vheni uri ni thuse dzi community.
It's their job and their task to visit the communities
Ndi
and see
mushumo wa
what
vheni
is happening.
uri ni ḓe ni dalele hafha ni vhone zwino khou itea kha dzi community.
So that the community doesn't wait for minister to come once in 3 years.
Uri dzi community dzi sa vhuye dza tou lindela minister a tshi ḓa luthihi nga murahu ha miṅwaha miraru.
That's what the ANC expects of us, to be closer to the community.
Ndi zwine ANC ya khou lavhelela kha vheni macomrade uri ni vhe tsini na vhadzulapo.
It wasn't pleasant for me, for instance, to hear the king down there saying it's the first time they see a minister in this area.
A zwo ngo ntakadza musi ndi tshi pfa vha musanda vha tshi ri ndi lwo thoma vha tshi khou vhona minister kha heḽi shango ḽavho.
It's not a good thing because we've been here since 1994.
A si zwavhuḓi arali sa government ro vha ri hone u bva 1994 a vha u sa tou ḓa minister na muthihi hafha.
I know that as ministers at national level, we serve the whole country.
Ndi a zwi ḓivha zwo ri sa dzi minister kha national level ri shumela shango ḽoṱhe ḽa Afrika Tshipembe.
But so sometimes it becomes difficult for us to avail ourselves everywhere.
Mara ri a zwi ḓivha zwori zwi a konḓa uri ri wanale kha kusi kuṅwe na kuṅwe hafha Afrika Tshipembe.
That's why we expect the provincial and local structures to really be the one that are closer to the people.
Ndi ngazwo ri tshi lavhelela uri havha vha province na vha district na local hu vhe vhone vhane vha dzulela u vha vha tsini na vhathu.
And this Department of Small Business Development, we took a decision that we don't go anywhere without connecting to the provincial and local structures.
Sa department ro dzhia muga wa uri a ri fhethu na luthihi ri songo ṱumana na local government na district na province.
So I'm going to ask the department officials who are here
Ndi khou ḓo humbela vha dzi official dza department vha ri fhano
to make sure that they connect closely to the local structures
uri vha vhe na vhukwamani ha strong kana u khwaṱhaho na zwi structure zwa local.
and the provincial structures must also be available and helpful, because imagine if we put the money that we have, then the local structure puts money that it has, then the province put money that they have. So if we put all that money together, this would be much better than what it is, because maybe we could say to the province, give you the equipment. National says, okay, we'll put the fence and we'll put up the right structure. Province then says, okay, we will give you this, and then local says, okay, we'll give you seeds, but we need people to come here all the time to assist.
Ndi ḓo amba na dzi official uri vha kwamane na province na local uri ho mushumo uri ite roṱhe kha vha humbule arali hu tshi khou pfhi riṋe sa national ro ḓa ra ita dzharaṱa heinoni ra ri vha province vha ḓa vha ni fha zwiḽiwa vha fhano masipala vha fhano vha ni fha zwiṅwe, so arali ri khou tou thusana roṱhe sa muvhuso ri nga fhedza ri tshi khou bveledza
We are one government,
ngori ri
not
muvhuso
three
muthihi
governments.
a ri
We are
muvhuso
one
miraru.
government, and there's a lot of money that gets wasted if we are not coordinated.
Hu na tshelede nnzhi ino luzea arali muṅwe na muṅwe a khou sokou ita zwawe a thungo na thungo.
And I don't want to come here and I'm a minister, everyone's here, then tomorrow somebody comes, all the people get excited. People can't be excited because they see the minister. People must be excited because they can see what we have brought here.
A thi khou nyanga u sokou ḓa fha sa minister vhathu vha mbona vha takala, a si zwone zwa ndeme. Zwine nda khou ṱoḓa zwone ndi zwa uri vhathu vha vhone hu na zwe ra ḓisa zwone zwine zwa ḓo kona u vha takadza.
So I'm hoping that we will not lose sight of this, because I've been to too many cooperatives. We celebrate their starting, we celebrate everything. 4, 5 years down the line, nothing is happening.
ndikufulupera uri ridzodzulera ujera ntahe cooperative rono yakadzi cooperative inji mara wana dzichikuchimbira kamisiro mimwe mitano ubva apo dzavowa nga mulandu uri aukova kamisi noutogomeriwa.
So I'm thanking the women for standing up and you for bringing the opportunity and for fighting for the cooperative in our department, for calling me all the time.
ndikoliwa veni vafumakadzi vanokoshuma paka cooperative uri ndizvandeme nga manda ndikuita mushumo muhuru vodova varipo vananena uri ndingarunyunyu ndikuvafonera
But it's my job, I have to answer the phone.
ya veri ndi mushumo wavo vatofanira kuitanganidza kholo.
And we promise as a department, really working together with the provincial and local structures, we'll have to keep on talking and don't be embarrassed about calling me. Call me because I have to answer, I have to give answers.
rikufulupedzisa uri sa muvuso ubva kazvistructure zvote ridodzulira ravona zvauri ringatusisa hani naini nisongoteredza mufonera dzulani nichimfonera ndidofara kholo yangu.
Thank you very much.
Kolivu. amba naka minister sa vashumi vapano then ringadipana kupinga ku 2 minutes for someone want to ask something from you, right? Yeah, auna zvine vakonyonga ambana sa vashumi va cooperative because minister I've been telling them since 2016 that the minister will come here and some of the times they came here, they waited for you, you didn't come and they was like, Wena, don't tell us this thing anymore. You have been telling us that the minister will come, and now there's no minister. So now I'm here. I'm very sure they are happy that you are finally here. So let's hear from one of them. Thank you so much for the opportunity that we're given. We are very happy as the cooperative of Vondo. When the minister is here, it gives us courage. It makes us to work knowing the direction. We know that what we are doing will take us far. More especially when we are doing these things and it even gets to the attention of the minister. Because of the presence, there are so many people who are here. The area which is very, very undermined. It gives us courage and confidence that we will go far. Is it what discuss? Discuss of a boy is not his future. Yeah, that's what he's saying. Like the struggle of a boy, it's not his future. What he's going through, it's not the end of his destiny. It shows that Vondo, there are a lot of, there are good things that happen here as well. We are thankful. We are thankful, Minister. Thank you. Just to brief you, Minister, we have some people who are running businesses here. They're from different areas. Like, for example, there's this gentleman here. He's having a farm, 20 hectares. He's at Mangoni. He's doing poultry. Not poultry farming, but he's going to plant his cabbage. We have Ruvani Nemanashi there. She's that one is very good with baking. So she's baking muffins, donuts, and all this. So we have people here who have businesses. We invited them to say, come and meet with the minister. And there's a young lady there who is running an organization which is youth development organization here, and her name is Takarani. So we have so many people, as I said, who are doing a lot of activities here. So I think
my apology that I was addressing the cooperative alone, but I think if there are other people who are doing any other business, when people can't stand up and do things for themselves, nothing will happen. we have to be supportive. Yes, translate.
Yeah.
I am apologizing that I didn't know there were other businesses who are here, and they are very welcome.
ndikuombera farero uri ndova ndisikuziva zvo runa dzimwe dzibusiness dziraone apa noni.
Government is looking at supporting rural enterprises.
muvhuso u khou lavhelesa kha u bveledzisa dzibusiness dza rurala dza mahayani.
And again, even with the businesses who are here, we are small business today. Even those farmers who have those trees there, I can guarantee you they started small.
na veni va dzibusiness nini na vafa noni ndi nga ni vudza uri na hava ladzi vane na ko vona vo tava fala he va thoma vone vo thoma zwituku.
But of course they had an advantage because they just took the land without
hava
discussing.
lavo vo va vo na xikala xa kuti vo soko dya mavu.
So you can't do that because there's law and order in the country, but they are more than 50 years ahead of you.
so veni ni nga si itevo hezwo nga mulandu wa milayo na zwithu zwoṱhe mara hu na miṅwaha ine ya swika 50 ine na kha ḓi fanela u vha nayo.
So you don't have to go do the same things they did. You need to jump and look at your current situation.
so veni ni nga si itevo zwe vala va ita veni ni khou fanela u bvela khagala na ita zwithu no sedza kha tshifhinga tsha zwino.
The task of government is really to create an infrastructure for you, because I'm sure driving around is very difficult. People who are in towns, when they buy a car, it will last longer than you who are in rural area. You buy your car because you have to drive on difficult roads. Your car gets wear and tear faster.
muvhuso u khou bvela phanḓa na u nyanga u bveledzisa dzicommunity dza veni zwithu zwi no nga dzibada uri musi ni tshi tshimbila afha ni sa vhe na u luza khamusi dzigoloi dza vheu vha tshi khou fanyisa tsumbo nga vhathu vho no khou dzula kha dzi urban areas uri dzigoloi dzavho dzi a tshila